What's good? What's good? What's good? It's your boy B Neil, back with another episode of ESPN 2K5. Well, getting to the bad news first. I had a new mistake and forgot about autosave. That wasn't a thing in this era. It wasn't a thing in this era. So the last franchise I did was all for nothing, but I went ahead and caught myself up, simulated 3 games, drafted a guard, drafted a quarterback. The guard wasn't as good, the quarterback wasn't as good either. But surprisingly, he's at 71 now. I drafted him. When I drafted him, he was at 67. Now he's at 71. So basically, that was the same level that the other quarterback was at when I first got him. So this is what we're going with. I'm trying to get David Carr traded. Wanted to trade him last year, but it was what it was. But yeah, that's the quarterback we got. Let me see about this guard. This is the guard we got. So he ended up being 85 as the season went on, and that's what the guard was. Basically, that I drafted last year, he ended up being about 75. So not too bad of a draft. We ended up also getting a linebacker. I'll show y'all. Let's see if he's starting. No, he's not starting. But he's right here. I think Alex Burns or whatever. So let's see if we can put him in as backup over here. No, can't. All right, cool. Well, yeah, he's a backup for now. That's cool. We got a pretty okay defense. Cornerbacks are looking pitiful. Okay, why is he not here? Dante Robinson second. Marcus Coleman. I think that's Marcus Coleman. I have no clue. I might be making up names. But that's just a little look at my team. Got a decent end. Let's see what these special teams looking like. I remember that dude. What's his speed like though? Yeah, his speed's I think I'm gonna put Dante Robinson in kick returner. Then we're gonna put anybody else. I don't want to put him in kick and punt. And Dominic Davis hurt. We gonna put Andre Johnson at punt return. Fuck it. We're gonna try some fun shit. Alright. And this is the last thing I'm gonna adjust before we get started. And I'm planning on not adjusting these again. So 4-minute quarters I think was good enough. Difficulty, we're gonna go all pro. But I want the computer passing to be basically at Madden or all whatever. And then I want, what else I want them to have good? I want the injury to be down. Dudes get hurt way too much on this game. Besides that, not passing, but catching. I'm gonna just up a little bit because those receivers they're known to drop some catches that was wide open. So besides that, once you kind of adjust those saves, we do pretty good. But first game heading into Kansas City. I'm not trying to do preparation. I just want to play the game. I haven't learned preparation. I probably learn that next season, see what I can do with that. But last time I tried to do preparation, I literally made the team worse.
Hey, I'm Chris Berman. Coming up on ESPN.
But after playing this game a few times, I'm not really sure if I made the team worse tonight. Because the team's ratings will change a lot if it's like not a good team. Like you'll start off in the beginning of the season like 80 or something. When the season starts, it'll be a harsh setting like 60. Just your rating will be 67. Let me cut my light on real quick.
The fans are finding their way to their seats, those who really own those seats, as we get set to begin this exciting game.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started. So yeah, sorry about that, man. I wanted to keep that first season going, but like I said, I caught everything up.
And it has been particularly unkind to these guys. Well, you said it, man.
We starting out 0-3, playing a 3-0 team. This is the first start for this quarterback, so let's see what we can do. Man, a doobie somewhere. I have no idea where it's at. Robertson. Oh, we got that D. Watson number. He got that deadly number 5. We're going to start out strong, man. And he mobile. He was one of the faster quarterbacks that had a decent arm. So I ended up getting him. I'm actually pretty excited that he ended up being 71. David Carr already 74, so it ain't like I was missing too much or nothing. Plus my dude can scramble. That's going to be pretty good for me.
Dunter Robinson tried to run it out, but the defense preferred that he stayed put, and they made their case pretty forcefully there.
We're going to be a pretty good run. I mean, not pretty good run. We're going to try to be a run team.
Their own 21-yard line. Wesley crushes him behind the line at the 19. Peter, unfortunately, we've had some players banged up so far.
Unfortunately so. Well, those are some big setbacks up there, but unfortunately, this is to be expected. Players can't spend.
Oh, what's up with that route? That route was horrible.
Just have to go out there, play hard, and hope for the best.
Robertson zings it to the right side, and it is not reeled in. Incomplete.
Corey Bradford tried to snag that one across the middle, but doesn't happen.
If complete, that would have made for a bit shorter third down play, but not much.
Not a lot of potential on that call.
Third down, 12 yards to go.
I feel like I messed up the play. Oh, no, it's the same play. Yeah, that Andre Johnson route took forever. That was the only thing I could get open.
His man in the backfield for a big loss. I don't know what happened to the protection. Let's have a look. You know, Dan, it's all about focus.
Well, that's not how we want to start.
He's not going to let that quarterback get that pass off.
They pushed him back even farther, and Peter, could this fourth down get any longer?
Well, theoretically, yeah, but it's plenty long enough already.
Stanley gets the snap and punts it away. Warfield ends it at the 46.
Eric Warfield racked up a few yards on the run back there.
Man, let's see what we can do, man. That wasn't a great offensive drive, so we're going to have to get a lot more production going. Trying to see what I want to play with. I'm going to go with Jamie Sharper. He the leader of this offense. Oh, he was there on the defense. That's one thing I said I wanted to change. Game speed to fast. For some reason, when I do the OBS recording, they make this gameplay a little bit slower, like a fraction slower.
Oh, nice catch.
First down from the arm. Green just right.
Oh wow, he misread that. We might be in for a long one. I'm saying I know they just scored, but hey man, that was a pretty easy score for them.
Big time on this play, and it works.
What was I in cover two?
More exciting to watch too.
Yeah, he did not attack that at all.
Accurate on this throw, it would have been an interception.
He tried to be pretty.
It's a real fine line.
Dang, the fact that they called it it could have been an interception. That's what's up.
You bet. Big play, my friend.
Now the extra point.
Oh snap! Big.
What in the world? You don't see this much. And if you did, there would be a lot of kickers looking for work. Watch this. Whip! No good. That is embarrassing.
The ref gets the signal, and we're set. McBride booms a beauty here.
Alright, boy, not report.
Robinson
I must forgot how to knee it.
in the end zone for a touchback.
I think that's Trent Green.
The Texans stalled early last.
Come on, Hansen. Protect me, Hansen.
See what happens here.
See what you got, Hansen.
At their own 20-yard line.
Hansen number 62. Uh-oh. We connecting early.
Texans got the first down.
That's some decent accuracy I need from him.
Johnson. Squeezed by two defenders on this play.
I like that number 5 in the Texans. Just look nice, man.
Skill. You can't coach that.
Maybe it's just the quarterback thing.
Everyone on the offense is happy about that play.
Definitely. Great call by the
Andre, we gonna need you.
And it will be a first down. Robertson throws out.
And he got underneath that?
And it's tipped. Incomplete.
Scott Fujita.
I said we're gonna run it, which I'm kind of scared to.
Potential for some nice yards, but the defense plays it tough. That will bring up second down.
We're gonna hit them. We're gonna hit them post up.
Robertson doesn't leave much room for error on this one. It's either a great pass incompletion or an interception. Let's take a look. Well, that's a great catch and a great completion. You don't see many quarterbacks thrown into double coverage like that.
We're trying to get Andre Johnson going all season. I be forgetting to do that turbo, the turbo like boost, I guess you call it. To, not turbo, but like the truck charge, they call it or something like that. Yeah, I pressed it too early there, but you can see the animation.
Number 51 with the tackle.
They going with, they think of play action to work on this play, huh? I mean, it would in real life, but I'm not a great runner, so I don't know how effective out this team would be. Yeah, I wanted to go to triangle, but he wasn't really open either.
Number 94. That's the sack deep in the pocket. That's going to be a sizable loss. Watch this. Off again. That's going to be.
I would have went for it if I ain't lose all that yards.
That'll be his first.
Well, we'll flip the field position, if anything.
Stanley gets ready to punt this away.
I don't know if I kicked that too high.
Stanley takes the long snap and kicks what will be a short one. Warfield, fair catch.
I was trying to put them boys in the 10. Let's see what our man-to-man coverage is like. It's not going to be great. I know that for a fact.
We'll see if they can keep it up. They'll start at their own 21-yard line. Green throws the ball.
Let it come down.
And it's complete at the 21.
That's better than that man coverage. I mean, that zone coverage.
Stop him from snagging the football.
They move the ball, and it will be second down.
Ball at the 25-yard line.
Hey, where you going, fam? Yo, man, right there. He running away from his dude.
One guy on him and he beats him easily. Even
Hey,
with
where the
my
cornerback
2
going?
extra pounds, I think I could have done a better job
I had to
covering.
put him on the bench.
I doubt that. He would have smoked you like a salmon.
That sounds pretty good.
Chambers goes in motion.
Make up for, oh my God, 42? Coleman, you the best corner we got. You're doing bad. I just was about to say, make up for the play. He got ran over. That is one of the legends, Chris Holmes. So that's kind of understandable. Nope. When I say my heart dropped, y'all, I just knew he missed that.
The only one to touch the football was him.
On second down, they try.
That was a risky biscuit right there.
Played well by the defense. That will bring up third down.
If he would have missed that, that was a house call.
And that'll do it for quarter number 1.
House. Oh, you hit me.
6-0.
We're gonna put some pressure on that boy. We're gonna put the clock on them boys. See how they act then. We're just gonna give him all day. Yeah, Coleman. Yeah, Coleman. So yeah, you gotta put that pressure on the boy. You can't get them boys all day out there now. Quarterback's just gonna sit up and do anything to us.
Baker lines up for the punt.
That was a good defensive possession compared to our last one. Why nobody was down there to block for Andre Johnson? We're not about to set our man up like that.
At the 24.
Nah, Bears, dude, come on now. I do like these slants. I like the slants in the post the most, man. They be getting naked on
See
here.
if they can keep momentum throughout this one, which starts at their own 25.
Everybody know what we're going to. It's like Hopkins. But somehow, some way, Arizona make it work.
Take a look. Well, that's a
I am an Arizona fan. Even though I'm playing with the Texans right now, but that's what I'm trying to do what the Texans should have did.
And Peter, that time, neither of those guys really had a height advantage.
But in real life, I'm going with that Texas boy, Kyler Murray.
It simply becomes a question of
They ain't throw the ball. I was trying to get it to the flex. Damn. But yeah, I'm rocking with Kyler Murray. Then Hopkins, man, it's my favorite player. Shit. And then, I mean, Larry Fitz, you can't be mad at Larry Fitzgerald. And they got, who else they got? They got a few players, man. what's that dude name? Christian Kirk from Texas A&M. So it's a few people that played in Texas or from Texas on Arizona. I mean, Larry Fitzgerald just a cool person, but besides him, everybody else, there's some Texas boys or Texas products.
This is a great run game. Look at the yards he chooses.
I'm going for Arizona. They got bugs flying. Yeah, that's what I've noticed with this game. You don't have to run it in their mouth, man. You ain't gonna be able to run it to the outside too much.
Yeah, he knew what he needed to do, and he done did it.
Unless you got a fast receiver or something, I don't really see that working too well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, we got a quarterback, y'all. Boy went over there to his primary. He made that his primary, so he like, I want to get open over there on the right. I want that.
And into his receiver's hand.
Nice throw. Got that. What's that? Magic Johnson. But I relate to that so much, dog. Cause like when we hoop, we used to just make up random noises, dog, and it's just yee. Like we used to do random noises. Oh wow. I want to blame that on my receivers, but that was good defense. I really want to blame that on some type of penalty. Like they really got in the way of my dude, but my quarterback tried to make an anticipation throw, and
after he picked it off, he was hoping for more.
Yeah, it just was bad timing right there. Bad timing, man. But once again, the field position is good. Rookie's gonna make rookie mistakes. But we still in this ball game, y'all.
Some separation before half, and we'll start this drive at their own 16-yard line.
Oh yes, sir, Babin. Is that Babin? Yeah, I think so.
Wideouts on the field.
Yeah, that man coverage doing some work. I was gonna call a timeout, but they gonna hurry it up and give it back to us. Yeah, they took 4 sacks, right? Oh no, 2 sacks and incompletion or something, or a short catch. I'm tripping, cuz this could have been easy field position. Oh, I hope you get the ball. Hang on a little bit. Oh yeah, this is. Alright, we can get something out of this. Come on, bro, get out of his way. I'm trying to get something out of that. So yeah, that was dang, what did I do? On the fly audible.
Couldn't respond to that really nice
play, okay. Yeah, this play, this is what we need, out of bounds play.
We're intercepted last time out. We'll see what happens here. We'll start at the 45-yard line. Robertson.
Hey, where you get that ball at?
It's complete for a gain of 3 yards.
I thought he wasn't gonna make it to him.
Second down and 3 wideouts in the game.
This really sticks. It just look a little different. Yeah, I was going to X. It just took too long to develop.
Texans will take a timeout. That's their second.
Oh man, they got some pretty good coverage on us, man. But this is one of the better teams in the league at the moment, so what do you expect? Oh yeah. Oh, that's just bad. That's the worst throw of the game. That was the worst throw of the game. We're gonna go for it though. We're not too much concerned about giving up field position right here. If they drive that far on us, they drive that far on us. But I want to put faith in this team, and we ain't scared. We're gonna. Oh yeah, Andre! That was honestly unbelievable catch because I did not think he was gonna make that. That was very, very tight throw. If I would have drilled it, I don't think he was gonna make that. Come on, come on, come on! Ah! That defense, man, they're getting in our They're getting in the hip of our receivers, and they can't get free like they want to.
Hook up the pass.
You can take a shot in that situation.
It's a screenplay.
It's a good goal.
That'll bring up second down.
Oh wow,
Second down.
that could have been a good little blocked up.
This one
Yeah,
will
man.
be incomplete.
This is just not a good little series of plays right here. Not that I picked bad plays, but we didn't execute like we could have. All right, let's get in the shotgun or something. I want to get some yards because it's 4-down territory, honestly. Because I'm not that great of a kicker.
Robertson goes forward and caught. However, the Texans take a timeout. That's their
Trying to see what I want to
final
do.
one.
Jerome Woods made the save, dropping the ball carrier before he could get
I gotta go for a field
That'll
goal.
be his fourth tackle. And
I mean, we
he's
got
hitting
enough
hard
time.
out there in the secondary.
Well, he's
I'm gonna go for the field goal. I think I can make this.
Make it 42
Fourth
yards.
down, and the field goal unit is on the field.
There's no win. I gotta lower it a little bit. Feel like it's too far to the right.
Brown with
A little too low, I feel like. The depth perception of this game a little difficult to understand sometimes.
Watch how close the ball.
I don't know if I'm making sense. Nah, that wasn't a good kick. I couldn't tell if it was like a decent kick or not. He should have got way more air into that kick.
closer to tying things up.
Yeah, and that's
Or more power, I mean.
coach can point to when he tries to pump up his team at halftime.
Johnson fields the
So we're in the game. I mean, they get ball back at half, but for it to be 63, I mean, we got to be pretty excited to say, honestly, we gave up a pick in our red zone.
First and 10.
The Chiefs offense takes the field.
And then the next time we really just ran out of time, but we were making more. We had momentum on that drive too. We just ran out of time, and we didn't want to be.
Intercepted.
We didn't want to be greedy. We didn't want to be greedy. But
Brent Green is feeling
I mean, if I can get something to get out of bounds quickly, that'd be cool. But
into the defender's reach, which is
this is Matt not have a whole set of plays for this
He's been picked
scenario.
off today, and by the look on his face, well, he knows.
But I'm not really good with the audibles and stuff on
one
here.
unhappy man down there.
The Texans
I'm gonna try to get these boys out of
takes
bounds.
the field
No.
with the clock at 9. Robertson rifles this one
Yeah, we
hard,
couldn't get a snap
and
off.
It's complete for a first down and a whole lot more.
End of the second.
Andre was naked.
Do it for the first half of this one. The Chiefs with a small lead, 6-3. And now
We on these boys.
in our studios in Bristol.
I'm happy with the quarterback so far. I mean, he ain't made some inaccurate throws, but I mean, he's a scrambling quarterback, and honestly, he made a lot more accurate than inaccurate. He missed Andre deep,
Aim at the head. We'll get back to you guys.
and he missed the tight end scrambling on the run, which he should be able to make on the run throws. That should be his. That really should be his thing.
We're set.
But he missed them, and those are two big plays, honestly, that could have changed the ties of this game. But
Johnson fields the second half kickoff.
we're not gonna harp on that.
Well, Peter, some interesting information up on the screen.
Oh, you bet. All these numbers point to one thing, Dan. A defensive struggle. They can't get complacent. A single score will change the whole complexion of the game.
That Bliss been working on them, and that man been working on them.
The Chiefs have been locked in a defensive struggle so far. They will start this drive at their 38-yard line.
Gotta set the sideline.
Holmes picks up 11.
Nice gain on this baby. Look at him eat up the yardage here.
When they cover to it, I can't find it.
First down from the shotgun.
They getting back to that run. That's what they need. We've been kind of shutting down that pass game. Oh, that was some good coverage, man. Oh, that's Tony, man. That's arguably one of the best receivers. Yeah, technically, but one of the best tight ends of all time, man. He gonna make this shit like that.
But he's finally got a completion.
I was about to say, I'm surprised he didn't read more havoc on
His
this.
mark on the game.
Where was he in the first half, Dan? Because I didn't notice him on the field at all.
Goes in motion.
Baby be getting in that backfield today, huh?
Jason Bailey not only cleaned the the ball carrier's clock in the backfield, but buffed and polished it too. Big hit for a loss.
We're gonna go after them boys again, man. We've been getting in that backfield, so why not stop? Good defense, man. That was a good play call too. They got a little short, little pass, basically a run play.
But was able to bring down the catch.
Nice play, and they will convert on third.
Great execution, Dan. They did everything right.
First down, both tight ends left.
I'm like, man, we holding the coverage down.
The Texans.
We're getting that backfield today. That was a cover sack right there, though.
Put an end to that play well in the backfield, and they had a real good read on that.
It all starts with the guys up front, and then everybody follows.
Second down coming up.
Coleman be running away from the ball when he man to man. Keep your eyes on your man, dog. Big dog.
Gets his man perfectly. Hey, that was one accurate throw.
They got some, but they'll need more than that if they want to convert on this third down.
Yeah, they have a ways to go, Dan. They would love a few more yards out of that play.
It's basically cover zero.
Green throws
Oh! I actually played it perfect. Like I said, just that depth perception of not really knowing if you can get a pick. You got to really get close to that circle. It's not like Madden. You can be a little bit under that circle and he's going to jump it anyways.
You better find some because there's still over a quarter left to play.
Baker gets ready to punt this away. Baker
Gonna get some blocks or what?
and punts it away.
They be fighting for that ball.
Short punt at the 12. The Texans
So our defense keeping us in it, man, and that's honestly, I'm happy. We could have just, I read the wrong gap. I should have kept it going to the right.
and picks up a couple.
Dominic Davis used the blocking, but this stingy defense didn't give up much.
I'm more of a passer, but I know we got to get the run going.
Second down.
Got to take what you can get, Dan, but you're hoping for more.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to hurry it up on him.
Past the markers for a first down. First down, two receivers to the left.
Goal 52. Goal, check goal 83. Check goal 83.
Tired or what?
At the 30.
I was trying to skedaddle. He was not running.
Second and 7. Ball to Texans, 30 yards.
That's all you, baby. Oh, I forgot this. I tried to truck stick with the stick instead of pressing triangle.
With no one around to stop him, where was the defense?
That was a good throw.
Well, they were nowhere on this play, but he made that an easy catch.
A well-designed play there, Peter, and they will move the chain.
Great execution.
We're moving the ball, man. The first drive was the worst drive we had.
Davis gains 3 yards, and that will bring up second down.
Number 51 with the tackle.
Second down with the tight end right.
Oh, my bad, man.
Chases him down.
I was trying to, I pressed the throwaway button while doing turbo, so he juked instead of throwing it away.
Small lead, 6.
I messed up. I just did my team dirty. Well, it's 3rd and 10, but we had some good momentum going. It's little things like that could stall a drive out.
Robertson tosses it out left side.
Hey, what happened there?
And it is not reeled in, incomplete.
Ineligible receiver, number 62, offense.
Uh-huh.
The penalty is declined. Incomplete pass.
Yeah, we started that drive out.
Stanley lines up for the punt.
Punt formation. Eric Warfield to make the return.
4th quarter, too. That was a critical one.
Stanley
Good
gets
punt,
the ball
boy.
and punts it away. Warfield fields the deep punt at the 15.
Good punt, boy.
Eric Warfield returned for a few there, but after that gigantic punt, it was like tearing a single page out of War and Peace. It doesn't make much of a dent.
The Chiefs offense takes the field with time
they're trying
running
to
down.
get
They'll
running
start at their own 24-yard line. Holmes will make the carry on first down and picks up a couple.
Defense showing up, man. Showing up and showing out. Showing up and showing out.
Still couldn't make a play out of it.
Second and 8. Ball Chiefs 26-yard line.
Another one, you know? Oh, he had dude wide open.
It's intercepted.
Uh-oh. 42 redeemed himself, man. He had somebody wide open. That tight end. Oh my goodness.
He reacts to get in the ball's path. Nice. That's how you make the INT, baby.
Well, that's their second interception of the game, and stingy is appearing to be the motto for their defense.
Either that or give me the ball.
The Texans are going
Eagle!
to capitalize on the interception.
Hey, he died at that. That was just great defense.
Robertson throws a beauty to the right side, and it's knocked away from the receiver.
We basically almost in field goal range. Not comfortable for me. Oh, Andre! Andre!
Dexter McCreon had superb coverage on
Andre, what was that?
Second down, they tried for the first, but it's played well by the defense. That will bring up third down.
Nice pressure that time.
Ball 36-yard line.
Hey, Andre, you just let your boy down. You needed that.
Robertson rifles this one hard over the middle, and it falls incomplete.
Point.
Jerome Woods kept both eyes on the short out on that one and caused the incomplete pass.
Well, the D holds tight on third and long, and
We gotta trust our defense, man.
That was a good call.
They'd be dumb
by
not
the
to.
defensive coordinator.
It sure was. Perfect D for that situation.
And it will bring up fourth down. Stanley takes the long snap and aims this one out of bounds.
Chad Stanley did a good job angling.
Yeah, that wasn't a great
out of
point,
bounds,
but
so
whatever.
the offense will start off stuck inside the 20.
The Chiefs offense will start this drive at their own 20-yard line. Tennyson goes in motion. Green passes this one after the play action.
That was almost another steal.
Incomplete.
Yeah, that man-to-man coverage been on our side.
Left no chance for a reception.
The defense stood up to that play and shuts down what would be a minimal gain anyway. It'll be second
Motion
down.
on this now. Oh, I panicked. It was right there. I should have just stayed on the stride. And stayed in my spot. And he really threw it right in my spot, and I moved out of it.
But instead, they forced me to motion. That's how the defense should
Oh yeah. I ain't even had to call that time, like, honestly.
Baker lines up deep.
First time getting the real special teams out there. Second time.
Baker takes the snap and punts
Let's
it
get
away. Johnson takes it at the 43.
It's like when you start hitting that turbo,
The 47. Well, Peters,
I guess I don't know. It feels different. You don't even really need the turbo, honestly.
Take heart that a single score will change the whole game. They need to put a drive together and make something happen.
the Texans offense takes the field and they have good
He got the same type of accessories as Deshaun Watson too. That's really funny.
7-yard line. Robertson unloads
Oh, yeah.
to the left.
Now we just can't go too fast at this
And a
point.
whole lot more.
Nah, I ain't even gonna think about that. Our defense has been legit. Let's just stay consistent.
That's got to feel good.
A beautiful pickup here.
just stay
Everyone
consistent.
on the offense is happy about that play.
Definitely. Great call by the offense.
So far, so good, man. So far, so good for this quarterback. Oh, snap. Yes, sir.
Wheels into football and as well.
Andre, way to make up for that drop, boy.
Robertson has little problem completing this pass. He makes it look so easy, and he's getting paid so much money, Dan. It makes you wonder.
And there he is with the catch. Well, look, you got an easy job.
Andre,
here.
7
You made a lot of
catches,
money. What's the
121. That's what you expect from your best receiver.
That's another pass.
Yes, sir! Put that shoulder down. God dang.
Very confident that he's going into where all the traffic is. He's daring the D to stop it.
Davis picks up about 2. And
I gotta
that
get at least
brings
one
up
shot at the end
second down.
zone before third down.
Used the blocking, but this stingy defense didn't
At
give
least
up much
one.
at all in that last play.
What's that? Oh, that's our tight end. That's cool, I guess.
Second down. Just a single receiver on the field.
Come on. Ah, man. That
This
was
one will fall
horrible.
incomplete.
Horrible, though.
With the deflection.
I played too long to develop. We need some slants.
Third down. The clock is stopped at 1:53. Robertson.
I tried to get it
to
to.
the right side and it's
How
intercepted.
unfortunate, bro.
Davis
Not only did it
for a
wasn't an
touchback.
incompletion, it was a pick. That's unfortunate.
From a huge error on the receiver's part, the ball gets dropped.
I guess circle was open too. Nah, looking at that little quick replay.
Boy, that was a heads-up play.
Ah, that's on me, y'all.
Interception of the
That's on
game.
me.
Yeah, you gotta love D like that.
That's on me.
The
But
Chiefs.
we got 2
start
timeouts.
the game from well in their own territory. And
We
the
gotta
clock at
step up here.
1:47. The Texans will take a timeout. That's their second.
Man, we just gotta get in the field goal range at this point.
Stingy defense didn't give up
I'm not
much
too
at all
worried
in
about
that
the
last
score.
play.
Not much there. It'll be second down.
Gotta take
Yeah,
what you can get, Dan, but they were, hoping for more.
Get that man down.
The Texans take a
Come on now.
That's
That was on me. I was backpedaling for no reason. I don't want to blitz.
third down. 2 tight ends in the game.
Like they going for it.
Hall goes in motion.
We gotta go for it.
Come
on now.
Is brought down short of the markers. The clock is still running. That will bring up 4th down.
Well, Dan, they didn't get the first, but they did manage
See how long
to
he
stay
take to
down.
punch this thing.
It's like they're playing the time game, and they just won another 40 seconds.
Gonna hold it.
Well, this is where the offense goes. And
We're gonna have about less than a minute,
Use up as much time.
depending on how far Andre can get us. Still holding that thing.
Baker makes the
Decent
snap
punt.
and punts it away. Johnson fields the punt at the 32.
Hey, that was clutch. That was clutch.
Andre Johnson.
That was
ran
clutch.
a solid game. That was a good punt, but he really made up for it.
That was clutch. Y'all know we going to them posts, man.
Start this drive
Cover
with
2, middle field open. Why not? Why would I not? They did that up too. They did that up too. That was man to man. He did that up.
With the deflection.
Hook and go with a fade.
Second down. The clock is stopped at 45.
Texans.
We just gotta get in the help. We gotta get in the what's the name?
Robertson.
Come on, we got no time. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all.
Clock continues to tick down.
We gotta just go with this play. We got no time getting the end zone, to be honest. Now if we throwing picks. Whoo! 51 almost had 2 picks, boy. My heart was in my butt. Boy, my stuff sunk.
Left no chance for a reception there.
They have really gotten after the ball as a team today.
They ain't giving me no good plays.
Bat and ball.
Nice, aggressive.
I need deep slants.
Second and 10.
Yes, indeed.
Ball.
Oh yeah, this is what we need. Andre on that out route.
Robertson Johnson makes the pass, and it's incomplete.
Andre Johnson had that ball in his hands on that play.
We gotta go back
He's
there.
dropped it.
That's his first drop of the game, and while every drop does hurt,
Second drop of the
can't throw
game.
too much blame on him for that one.
That would have
Man,
been
he was going out of bounds and everything. That was just it, bro. That was gonna set us up for another easy completion and an easy field goal. Come on, put it on there.
Johnson didn't haul that one in, and it falls incomplete. It'll be
I fucking suck at field goals, man.
10 yards to go.
I almost had it at max. I ain't even want to think about it.
Launches the 51-yard.
Ah! Let's go! Come on now! Come, clutch!
And he needed it. Watch.
What the what? Fire!
A powerful kick for 3.
Fire!
When he needs to, he can boot that thing.
We fire! That boy booted it. He booted that thing, boy. 51-yarder. 51-yarder. Hey, we going to OT, y'all, and we gonna pull this thing out. Y'all seen the momentum? We got all the momentum. We got all the momentum.
The 26.
I'm lit, bro. I'm lit. I did not think that was going down.
The Chiefs
Come on.
start this drive of the game from well
Cover zero. I mean, not cover zero. Get deep.
Green,
Come down on that.
Chiefs take their
Come down on
first
that.
timeout.
We're going. Yeah. I want something like that. I want everybody.
Second down and less than a yard.
I need to learn how to do audibles, bro.
The receiver enforces him to drop the ball. Incomplete.
Let's go. Let's go.
For regulation time.
They got us messed up in here, man.
Time to decide.
We leady. What time is it? We leady. That time be throwing me off. The time it went back an hour. It's dark. I'm thinking it's 8 o'clock. We leady. Ain't no new announcements on the president. It's crazy out here in these streets. 3 days later. Receive it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And it's old school rules. So yeah, we just gotta kick a field goal. We just gotta kick a field goal. Still no president of the United States, as far as I'm
There's the
concerned.
signal, and we're ready. McBride kicks it off to begin
Do something, Moses.
overtime.
Moses.
Moses. decides
Moses.
to take it out of the end
Eagle. Eagle. He wasn't expecting that. He wasn't expecting that.
zone. Order to the division, isn't there?
You bet.
We got us a star quarterback early. I need another play, man. Y'all don't be giving me no good plays. I be trying to just hurry up and find something. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here.
Have been locked in a defensive struggle so far. They will start this drive at their own 21-yard line.
Let's get it.
Holland gets open. He gets the football for a game there. Watch this again.
Gotta get him.
He is
Gotta go.
wide open. The defense
First down.
fell apart on that.
First down.
You can't leave anyone that open in the NFL.
You can't. I don't know what they were doing. Quick dump. Let's see what this looks
First
like.
down, 3 wide
It's really like a two-man play with that linebacker for the most part. An outside linebacker, either Andre gonna get picked up, or the flat's gonna get picked up. Look like, oh my God, bro, that was just
incomplete.
that wasn't what I wanted to happen.
Slant
I tell
route
you
back
that.
there and kept the receiver from making the catch. Incomplete
And
pass.
that linebacker played
Defense
it
stood up
pretty
to that
decently.
play and shuts down what would be a
Jeez.
minimal gain anyway. It'll be second down.
Let's get it.
Second and 10.
Oh yeah, I like this.
Texans, 35 yards.
Barber makes a play on this and forces the incompletion.
With the deflection.
John Barber got himself in prime position to bat away that football before the receiver even had a shot at it.
You know, as a team, they are batting down passes left and right. That is their 6th so far.
Wow, great anticipation of the pass.
That was dangerous, wasn't it? God dang it. How much time we got left? Time out. Pick the wrong, press the wrong button.
3rd and 10.
Alright. I was too excited. Gotta calm down. We ain't got Andre out there naked. Lord. Come on, 16. Whoever you is. He open.
Robertson rifles this
Is that my rookie? That's my rookie. That's my rookie. Hey, hold on. Shout out to the rook. Shout out to the rookie because he holding down the set. What team we looking at? It's a player stats. This is everybody. Shout out to the rookie because he holding down the set. Where he at? I can't even find the dude. Oh my goodness. We don't have that many receivers. He just said he had 2. Oh, he only got 1 catch. That's not him. It's him right here. Oh no, I'm gonna let you know who it is. Alright, we're gonna check that out. I can go depth chart. Y'all like, come on, bro. I hate niggas that always doing shit just to stunt. I ain't stunting. He getting good. He only 58. Rookie! Making big time catches. I gotta keep my eye out for 16. When you do things like that, hey man, your number get called more. Everybody know that. You just made big time play. Oh Lord. Do my quarterback throw too hard? Is that what's going on here? Cause Jesus. What's 16 at? That's his 3rd drop of the game. And that's just great defense. But now I ain't gonna lie, Andre used to have some easy drops back in the day, man. But receivers have that. The easy ones, they kind of just they lose focus and think it's just another easy catch and try to just so used to getting up the field, and that's all it takes is that slight loss of concentration, man. We're gonna go for a short play.
3rd and 10.
Come on, Rook. And he fast, so this actually a good play for him. Oh no, 16 says Duggins. I don't know who 16 is. But Hollins, yeah, 16 made the catch. So why did Hollins' name pop up after that? Maybe I'm tripping.
a nice catch, but also a nice move.
But shit, he was open. But now we just can't make a turnover at this point. At this point, no turnovers because we in field goal range.
Check out the passing performance here.
260 with some very, very clutch passes in his overtime drive. He got that Deshaun Watson magic. I ain't gonna lie to you because a few of these, we was on 3rd down a few times on this. So, you seen that step up in that pocket, right? That boy. How could this? We lit it. Y'all seen that step up in the pocket to your boy Andre? He open. I ain't gonna lie, I got nervous. What am I doing? We gotta get out of here. I know we want our quarterback to have a passing touchdown, but what are we doing? Let's get out of here. We don't need to score a touchdown. Dre win. We are 0-3 team. Y'all. Don't be mad at that. You can't be mad at that. I know it's just a game. I know we could have went harder. Why not get your quarterback the magic? But the thing is, I'm the coach. And my quarterback, this is his first game. Why not get him to win? I think the win more important than that touchdown. And honestly, we just beat a 3-0 team and we was winless. What can you say? What can you say? You can be mad at that, but I wanted my quarterback to go out on top, man. I wanted my quarterback to go out on top. We can worry about all the other stats and stuff later on down the year, but it's you gotta get that first win. It just set the tone when you put that starting quarterback in that everybody kind of been waiting on to see what he gonna do, and y'all win. Even if y'all suck the rest of the year, that magic is in the air. And we're about to go win another game. I ain't gonna lie to you. We're gonna go do it again. Yeah, we're gonna go do it again. But man, it was a great game. Game of field goals for us, and they missed their stuff, but that wouldn't even matter if they made it, man. Our defense stepped up. They gave up one big touchdown on that post route, but after that, or I think it was actually a slant, but after that, defense was in it. But oh, look at that! Look at that! That's when he stepped up. That's when he stepped up in there. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! He sealed the win. I honestly think the quarterback should get player of the game because he didn't have that many drops. But 9 receptions, 162. If he would have caught everything, he would have had all clear 200.
They were having a tough time stopping us. We executed our offense the way we needed to get this one.
Sound like Dub City to me. Sound like Dub City to me. You heard it from our leader, the best player in our franchise history. Arguably, him or Deshaun Hopkins. Deshaun Hopkins. Wow. But y'all know who I'm talking about. Arguably between both of those two players as well, Deshaun Watson and D. Hopkins. Andre Johnson is just honestly, he's the best player we ever had because the quarterbacks he used, and yeah, it's undoubtable. But we got 2 0-4 teams, so at this rate, we're the better team. We just beat a 3-0 team, and we got some wins on the board. So I'm honestly not looking to be we're not trying to tank or nothing like that. So if we can pull out 4 wins, man, I wouldn't mind being an 8-8 team or a middle of the park team. We got the quarterback that we want. We got a good team. Let's see what we can do, bro. But thank y'all for watching. Next episode will be out soon. Deuces.